Hey, Dave here from Zebulon Tax. We're always getting questions. People ask me any questions. Ask me the fastest land animal. I don't care. But on our Instagram, we're going to answer all your questions. So ask us your questions and we'll get back to you. Thanks. Have a great day. Hey, it's Dave here at Zebulon Tax. And we got our first question. Actually, it's our third question because the first one was about a land animal and an elephant. I don't remember what it was, but who cares? Anyway, but here's the issue. The question is can I help you with overdue tax payments? Well, there's sort of two questions that are two answers to that. And the one is, do you have overdue tax because you haven't filed, or do you have overdue payments like you want to make an installment payment? Either way, we can help you. We can log into the IRS website with you and in the state websites if you have that and check all the records or what's called transcripts that they have that list every documentation that you have. For example, you had a job, you worked at Uber, you worked at Macy's, who knows where you work, doesn't matter. But we can get every single document that has been filed on your behalf against you, and then we can file a tax return for you and we can help you. We can help you all year round. We do this all the time. So when you're bored or you really want to fix your issue, give us a call. Don't put your head in the sand like an ostrich and never fix the problem. Give us a call at our number, contact us. We can help you and fix your overdue tax payments. As always, make it a great day. Hey, it's Dave here. I'm not supposed to introduce myself, they told me, but I'm going to introduce myself anyway. But the question we had was, we're getting tons of questions, and we're really happy about it, is can my kids contribute to a Roth IRA? And the answer is yes, they can, and yes, you should do that, okay? Here, they just changed the tax laws the other day, like as in last year. Okay, you can contribute for your kids a Roth IRA. Every child should do it. There's no reason not to. Forget about the growth. The growth doesn't matter, though that's a good benefit. But the real feature of Roth IRA is you can put the money in the account and then it can grow, okay, at 0% interest, right? We're not talking about any interest rate here, but you can then pull the money out for college. And it's tax-free, and it doesn't go on any financial aid forms. So yes, you should 100% contribute to your kids' Roth IRA to the maximum or as much as you can afford every single year. If you don't know how to do that, give us a call. We're always here to help. Thanks, and make it a great day. Hey, it's not Dave. I mean, it is Dave, but everyone tells me I'm not supposed to introduce myself in these videos because apparently they go back to back, and I don't understand how it works. And if you watch my other videos, you'll understand I have no clue what's going on, but I'm having a good time, and that's what's important. The question we have today, though, is how do you book an appointment with me? It's really simple. You can call us, look us up on the web, or go on our website, and the little Calendly thing, you just book it, or call us. Okay, it's real simple. We are available all the time. We will make time for you. So if you have a tax question or investment question, call us and we will, or book an appointment with us, and we will help you, okay, as best as we can. As always, thanks and make it a great day. Hey, Dave here again. I know I have to stop saying that. It's Dave here again because you know it's me. You're watching my story, so you know it's me, but it's still Dave here, and I'm still here, and we are at Zebulon Tax. And the question we got today was, can I come in throughout the year for tax season? The answer is we file taxes all year round. The IRS is open all year round. All the states are open all year round. They take a couple days off here and there. But if you have a tax problem or tax issue or anything you need to come in today, contact us today so we can help you file your taxes or fix whatever tax issue you have. So yes, you don't need to wait till tax season. In fact, you shouldn't wait till tax season, because you wait for tax season, the IRS and all the states and agencies, taxing agencies or taxing authorities, will charge you interest and penalties every single day you're late. So you should come in now, today, and fix your stuff. As always, make it a great day. Hey, Dave here again, and we got another question. It's unbelievable. Who would have thought I'd get all these questions? So keep asking them. I love answering them. It's great. It's great. But the questions I'm going to ask basically is, if I make X dollars, in this case they put $150,000. No one makes 150. They make 151, 149, whatever it is. It doesn't matter. But they said, how much tax am I in? What tax bracket am I in? So what I did is I have this little sheet. Okay, I'm gonna look at it in a minute, but look above and you'll see it. But basically, you look at the sheet. It says what you are. So in this case, if you make $150,000 and you are single, okay, you are in the 24% bracket. And if you look at the chart up above me, okay, it will tell you exactly what bracket you're in. You could do it, and you figure it out. That's it. It's that simple. So in this case, the guy makes $150,000, so he's going to owe basically about $15,000 in taxes plus an additional overage of about another 10,000, whatever it is. But it's easy to figure out, and it's a really good question, and you should know what bracket you're in, because the higher the bracket, the more tax you effectively pay. As always, make it a great day. Dave here again, and I know I can't keep saying Dave here because it's my real, I know it. I apologize, but I'm very excited. It's really cool because I posted, hey, ask me questions. You guys are asking questions, and they're really good questions. So the question is there a difference between a tax credit and a tax deduction? And the answer is yes, there's a huge difference, okay? And you want to use both of them. However, we're going to talk about the deductions first, and then we'll do credits. Probably can't see this, okay? But basically, this is a 2022 tax return. The guy here made $100,000. Okay, he has a tax deduction of $25,000, which gives him his total taxable income of $75K. That's what a deduction is, just lowers your taxable income. A tax credit then is, once you owe, in this case the guy owes $7,500, he then has a tax credit of $2,000 so he ends up only owning $5,500. So if you are not using both tax deductions and tax credits, you're not doing yourself a good job. Make sure you're using both. As always, make it a great day. It's Dave here again. I know I got to stop saying that. They keep telling me, stop saying it's Dave. You know it's me. You know it's me. It's my state. Anyway, the question I got this time was, can medical expenses be deducted? And the answer is, I apologize, and it's an accounting answer. It depends. So the answer is yes, they can. Basically, you have to be higher than what's called your AGI, which is a whole other complex thing. But if you have huge medical expenses, I hope you don't ever, okay? They can be deductible if they're above a certain number, okay? And then a lot of states do allow you to deduct your medical expenses. So you should always track them and make sure you use them. And then if you own a business, whether it be real estate or a small Schedule C or 1120, you can deduct your medical expenses if you do it the right way. So what you should do is, yes, they can be deducted. I apologize, it depends, but you have to hit certain qualifications to make sure they're deducted. So always read the rules or check with a qualified tax professional like someone like me, and I'll tell you if you can deduct them. As always, make it a great day. Hey, it's Dave here again, and it's amazing. I cannot believe how many questions I've gotten. It's just like mind-blowing me. I don't understand how the social media stuff works, but it's kind of cool, so I'm trying to do it, trying to help you guys do better, be better, that kind of thing. The question I got is, what filing status should I choose? Basically, there's about 4 filing statuses. There's single, married filing jointly, married filing separately, and head of household. There's also widowed, but we don't talk about that one anyway, just because it's really weird. But you really pick on what you're doing. You look at yourself, say, am I single? If I'm single, file single. If I'm married, then I either filed separately or I file jointly, or I'm head of household. I live by myself and I have children or dependents or upon me. That's pretty much it. There's some rules on how you want to do it, but as always, you should read the rules, okay, and or check with a qualified tax professional, and they'll help you out. As always, make it a great day. Can I write off my business clothes as a business expense? And the answer is, I apologize again for the accounting question. It depends. What are you using for? If they have your logo on them, then the answer is yes, you can. If they're just regular clothes you use for everyday business, the answer is no. If you're a clown, the answer is yes, that's part of your business. But if you're a regular person, not really. But again, so what you want to do, if you want to write off your business clothes as a business expense, put your logo on it, and guaranteed you can. So you'll see me a lot of times, I wear clothes with my logo on it, okay? And yes, they're Ralph Lauren, not today, but the other day I was wearing a shirt with my logo on it. I can, because everything has my logo on it. It's related to my business. Same thing with you. So if you can relate it to your business, the answer is yes, you can write it off. If you can't relate it to your business, the answer is no. Now, some of you think, oh, I was a nurse or a policeman and I used to be able to write it off. The answer is yes. You used to be able to write it off in 2017 before the Tax Cut and Jobs Act. Now you no longer can. So it must be related to the business. That's it. Otherwise, thanks and make it a great day. Hey, it's Dave here again, and this is the last question for today, which is weird, but I got a whole bunch of them, but I answered them, and I'm just busy, got other stuff to do. The question was, which tax form should I use, or how do I know which tax form to use? And the answer is, I don't know if I can answer that in a minute, but it really depends on how you structured your company up. So when you started your company, okay, or your individual person, are you a farm? Are you a small business? Are you a rental property? Are you a partnership? Are you incorporated? Are you an LLC? These are all questions. And these are all questions that you got when you filed your LLC forms or got your EIN number from the IRS. If you don't know what an EIN number is, it's an employee identification number, and you better have one if you own any business. If you're an individual, you're filing just a 1040. That's pretty much it. Straightforward, not a big deal. But as always, read the rules and check with a qualified tax professional. And as always, make it a great day.